Dude,
I think the Hummer's on fire.
Hey guys, welcome back to Dave's Garage. Today I have a small project. I got a brand new Performante. I want to turbo it. So I decided to change the clutch to an upgrade, doing it myself. What clutch did I upgrade it with?
you should know you put it in.
I lied. I lied again. That's what I do. Johnny right now is working on this Performante, who's getting a twin turbo, sheepy built turbo kit, but the stock clutch is not strong enough. And this car has like 100 miles on it.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Damon knows nothing that exists in this area. Now check this out. This is the engine from a Performante. It's a 5.2 liter, 630 horsepower Lamborghini V10. All out for us to enjoy right now. Looks like it's like a cast metal. It's actually plastic. Weight saving. What's this brace for?
It's like a crumple zone.
Seriously?
Yeah, if this car got like rear-ended, this kind of would save. It's like a cushion.
No.
It's meant to shatter, yeah. So if a car gets rear-ended, it would break. It takes all the inertia.
Now I took it apart off camera. Johnny's putting it back together. Put all the bolts in the jar for him. That coffee can.
Yeah.
And mix
Put
it
them all
up.
in a bucket and let Jesus take the wheel.
This thing is like brand spanking new.
100 miles?
100 miles.
You got more miles than you than
Oh,
that.
yeah, I got road miles.
City miles are the hardest, so that's stop and go.
Got a couple rollbacks too, you know what I mean?
Hey, we are back in the Type R.
You know what that means? VTEC!
There it is, ladies.
VTEC! Oh, it sounds so good.
So good. We're talking about giving this thing away, aren't we?
We're gonna give it away. This car is very symbolic to both of us from our childhood, and we want to pass it on to a DDE fan. But first, we need some work. We gotta pull the motor out.
You know I'm not pulling the motor out. Thanks to these guys for staying late and doing this yet once again. Now Dave's sitting here playing Raid Shadow Legends, you guys. Pretty epic RPG game. Raid Shadow Legends is today's sponsor.
A brand new collection RPG game that has taken the mobile gaming landscape by storm. Almost 10 million players worldwide have already downloaded the game in just 3 months. It has great graphics, strategic gameplay, huge boss fights, an amazing storyline, and over 400 champions for you to both collect and personally customize. Just check out the detail on those champions. What I love about this game is that everyone can find some amazing entertainment value in Raid Shadow Legends. Some people collect characters, others are all about the deep storyline and crazy graphics. Dave personally is down for combating against other live players, but hey, this is Dave's ego for you. The game is free to play. You can join PvP battles in the arena, PvE in dungeons, and have cool, huge boss fights. Personally, I think the game's amazing, but don't take my word for it. It has almost 200,000 reviews, giving it a near perfect score in the Play Store. The game is growing super fast, and the highly anticipated new update has dropped now. Also, there is a new awesome loyalty reward program for the new players. Get a new daily login reward for the first 90 days when you log into the game. You can find Dave in the game under Dave_DDE. If you're quick enough, you can even join his clan. So what are you waiting for, DD fam? Go to the link in the description, click the special link, and instantly get 50,000 silver and a free epic champion as part of the new player program. Get your journey started today, go kick some butt, good luck, and we'll see you in there.
Damn, 205. That
really
means
good.
this car could drive home tonight.
Hey, hold on. How do you take that? How do you take that off again? Throw out the Schrader valve there, Johnny.
Disrespectful pricks. I'm gonna go all the settings on this welder tonight.
I don't even have any settings. I only turn it on. I just hit the on button and go.
Hold on. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? We don't have to pull the
No,
motor
we
out?
don't gotta pull it. Unfortunately, we don't have to pull it out.
So
We were
the
kind of looking forward to this.
So it's good.
It's good. It's actually really good.
So why does it burn so much oil?
because of that guy. No, I'm just kidding. No,
Because of the VTEC?
kind of. The valve stem seals have probably just seen better days, so it's able to leak past them.
Well, that was uneventful. I don't know. Whatever we got to replace, that's what we need to replace.
Oh, there's not a. Oh!
We blessed it.
So good news. It's fine.
All compression's good?
Yeah.
So valve
We
seals.
sealed up the valve.
Okay, so good compression, so valve seals.
And driver swap. It needs a driver.
Well, we're gonna give the car away. It'd be a free car for a DDE fan.
If that's the case, I might become a DDE fan because
You're not a DD fan already?
Oh, get out, Charlie. Get out, Charlie.
Wow.
No, what I did do though is I did click on the subscribe.
Dear Journal, today a butterfly landed on my lap. It had pretty wings. I immediately murdered it because I'm Damon Fryer. I'm the master of disaster.
Okay, so what's the next step? Lift, lift, lift.
Lift it up, train it out, pull it off.
Craigslist?
Holy, look at this guy. Dude, the wizard's strong. Nick, oh, you okay?
That actually
Look at that meaty back.
That hurt a lot less.
Drops them fatal.
Waterfalls.
Just stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to.
JDM wheels from Japan.
Are
Straight.
they overnight?
Yeah, we got these overnight.
Yo, we're turboing it and the parts just showed up. Ready?
Oh, really?
Yeah. We had a whole bunch of radiators and intercoolers.
This car is never gonna go overheat when we go to Death Valley. How is this not done yet?
Did that come back? That's hot. They headbutt you?
Yeah.
See, Johnny only does exotics now. Fame's changed him. How many followers? How many followers on the gram now?
18.2.
He knows. So what did we decide? To pull the head or pull the motor out?
We're doing head.
Head's coming off. Okay, so real talk for a second. We thought the engine might need a rebuild through the compression tech. The block is good to go, rings are good to go, bearings are good to go. It needs valve seals, which on these cars always blow out, which means it burns oil. Get that taken care of. We'll get a brand new timing belt, water pump, and head gasket. Now, as well as aesthetically, this car's in pretty good shape. However, there's a bit of Canada here on the quarter panel. So we'll take that to the body shop, get it all perfectly redone, as well as the front lip. The valve cover has been released. You can see the VTEC, it's everywhere. VTEC is everywhere. This is lunch right there on the distributor cap. There's definitely some old technology in there. Remember how these failed all the time? Mm-hmm. All the time? What are you working on?
Hanging out with my biggest fan.
Oh, Johnny's really helping out here. Holy shit. Dude.
I'm handing pizza rolls.
Not all heroes wear a cape. Aren't you the mechanic and they're fabricators?
We're switching turns because it's after
You
5.
guys switch teams every once in a while?
Sometimes, you know?
Johnny switches teams every night, if you know what I'm saying.
I mean, it $20 is $20.
That's true, you can't argue with math.
Hey, my boy, chill out.
No warning. No warning.
Teamwork here. You gotta make sure he's getting those bolts.
Head removal is imminence. And Damon, as always, is eating. Sounds like Damon's knees in the morning.
Yeah.
Right?
Legit, yeah. Getting old sucks.
Are you still eating?
It's missing parts. It's got those JDM.
Watch out for your foot there.
It's hot.
Saw how fast I pulled that head.
Good. Damn, what's this big hole right there?
What's the verdict on this head?
She's good. It's good head. It's actually really good head.
The reality is it's not that we need to know, the audience wants to know. This is gonna be the audience's car.
Oh yeah. Head gasket's good. Surface of block's good.
I see
Piston
that.
inspection's good.
Saw that. The entire car is back!
Start it up!
All jokes aside, you guys, the real question is, if we're giving this car away, we really want to ask the audience, do you want it completely original or do you want Sheepy to mod it? The car is worth more in its original state. There is an option for boost. So do we put, this one's big. Like, this might be a little big for the Honda. Do you guys want it boosted or do you guys want it naturally aspirated? That is the question. Comment below. Do we boost the giveaway car?
Bye guys, thank you for the memories, the friendship, cocktails, all the good stuff. Damon, I'm taking you to your happy place.
My happy
We're at
place.
Tanner Fox's house.
Yay!
Evidence you've been here before, actually. Look at this. All right, Damon, step it up.
Johnny just throwing this thing around.
Hey, you gotta get in there and film them.
Oh, it's a two-seater, you're right. Top heavy.
How come it's got no turning radius?
Because I don't know, it's a piece.
Where's the tank? Well, it's got motor.
chain came off. You broke it.
No, I did that the first 2 minutes we got.
Oh.
Damn it!
The mechanics.
I got this. Stop it. What's the playground you have down here?
I know, huh? You see the Louis shed?
That was $900,000.
That's
you
right,
guys.
that's right.
See the Louis Supreme collab. That's why it's red.
Exactly. You know your stuff, but Damon. You're quite the hip guy.
No, try to stay in we need to stay in the realm of like being cool. That's why I hang out with Dave. Dave made me cool again.
Yeah, he does, huh?
I have more followers than him on Instagram.
Do you?
Yeah. We need a new plan. Damon?
What? You want a real vehicle?
We need a
real
real-
goods? Come on,
Yeah,
get the
exactly.
Hummer,
What
get
is
the
this
Hummer.
thing?
You all got up now. Damn, that was nuts, dude.
Yeah, full send. Predator's gonna have to fix some.
I can hear it.
I smashed some stuff underneath.
I can hear it. Oh, no, not over this thing! No! That hurt. Oh. So hard to hold a camera and do this. Okay, jokes aside, that can hurt. You just break.
Skinned my elbow.
Oh yeah, that was violent. This is like the official food of Temecula. We just
Hold
had
on,
these.
hold on. Don't ever film me without my hat on.
Fresh out of the oven. What are you doing?
Oh.
That's fresh. Why are you biting it?
I can't.
Oh, hot?
I'm so hungry.
Grab another one. Grab another one. Grab another one.
Put it all in your mouth.
Is it hot?
Pop it in your mouth.
Oh, they're pretty hot.
You do it. You do it.
No, you do it. Take another bite. Do it. Go.
Pop it in your mouth,
Hot.
the whole thing.
Hot. Oh, is it hot? You got the hot water on. Jeez. They put the hot water on to rinse off his burn.
So you guys, I bust Dave's balls a lot about being kind of a shitty co-pilot, and this is why. We're at a hotel. It's late at night. We're tired.
Dave's putting all the luggage back in the truck because he just drove us to the wrong hotel.
Fun fact. And he's trying to say that he clicked a link and it took him to the wrong hotel, but I clicked the exact same link. Listen to
Took me to the right hotel.
When you're Damon's co-pilot, you're on navigation. When Damon's your co-pilot, he sleeps.
Dude, I think the Hummer's on fire. Like, look at the smoke. It smells like,
You smell it.
dude, it's,
Probably that radiator.
No, it's wires.
yeah, it smells like a fire.
It does.
You were driving. Hey, you just saw him get out, did you not?
The crazy thing though is like, what would catch on fire all of a sudden?
It smells like Alden or something. I'd probably turn off the lights though, Damon, because.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Over here.
Right there.
Right there.
You see it?
Yeah.
Fuse.
Oh yeah, it's definitely.
What is
yeah,
that?
That's a fuse, some kind of a fuse.
Meltdown.
Sure is.
Man, it created quite the,
Smoke show.
well, just like, I don't even understand
So
how that would happen.
we need to pull that fuse out, so stop
What fuse?
this. You know what, Damon? I feel like this is your negative energy personified into a burning fire.
Oh,
in
yeah.
my Hummer.
Yeah.
You're lucky I have friends out here.
I know, right?
Yeah. You got people, man.
People.
Get that one out and that one. I could put in the fuse in here if you guys want. We just wire a fuse in it real quick.
DVE fans, like, to the rescue. Amazing.
How the hell does that work?
Thank you.
For real though.
That's pretty crazy.
Truck's on fire, middle of nowhere.
That's crazy. You got everything.
I know, right?
Like,
I used to drive a BMW. Does that tell you something?
you and Dave.
That's fair. Did you sabotage the Hummer to meet us? To meet Damon? Because Damon's
No,
pretty famous.
I already met Damon.
Oh, you already met Damon?
Yeah.
We've met a couple
Oh,
times.
so
Yeah.
Damon's old
But
news.
he hasn't met you, and you have more Instagram followers.
I
so.
do, guys. Make sure you go follow Dave_DDE. Link in description.
Dave, check this out. New wire ends and everything.
What?
You checking your Instagram again?
Yeah, I had no more
dude,
followers
you're
in the
still
past
ahead of
5
me.
minutes.
No, the reality is nobody who keeps wrecking all the cars, burning down Hummers now. Dave's taking this to a whole new level.
Oh, what was I
Heads
driving?
up. People really want to clip one of us.
Wired it right in there.
Heck yeah. Do it quick.
Yeah, what's
guys.
the term for that? A rat's nest?
Yeah, pretty much.
Jeez. Hey, thank you so much.
No problem. We'll put some black tape
I
around
owe
it.
you.
Yes,
I
you
owe
owe me
you.
ride for the Lambo.
Yes.
Test to see if we're all
Yeah.
gonna die here in a second. Well, it started. Here's what I think. I think this guy set this whole thing up. Just happens to be here with all the right tools. I know things. I have the spidey sense that Troy set this up so that I would follow him on Instagram. That's good. It's almost too good.
What's your theory?
We already talked a minute ago. Who's the last person to touch this? Was it Mitch?
You.
Mituation here?
Actually, yeah, those guys were all up in here.
Was this Mituation?
I think this might have been a Mituation.
Oh, there's sticky
Little Jeff.
Mitch is pretty smart. I don't know. He's pretty good.
No. Mark's the smart one.
Mark is very
Mark's the
smart.
only smart one.
Mitch.
Alex is cool.
Yeah.
Mitch, take him or leave him. Might leave him. Don't tell Predator tomorrow about this. They're already mad at me as it is.
It's true. Ryan's getting murdered.
Ryan's gonna murder me. You got it. And catch and release.
Man, we're almost at the hotel. The right hotel, finally.
Yeah, you screwed that up earlier.
Yeah, I screwed it up.
Oh, you're
You
filming.
screwed it-
Oh, yeah,
you
my bad.
screwed it up.
I did it.
Almost burns us down, takes us to the wrong hotel. You wait until I tell Ryan on you.
No, don't tell Ryan.
I'm telling Ryan.
No,
I'm telling Ryan.
Should I do a brake stand?
No. Actually, rev it in the tunnel. Ready? Yeah, go.
Tunnel blast. Sorry, hotel.
Finally at the hotel.
Boom! I nailed that parking spot, bro. Perfectly in the lines.
Dude.
Thread the needle.
Yes, you did. You're absolutely perfectly within the lines.
Piece of